Hello guys, this is your mommy and auntie on the go. Welcome to my G on Life.
It's already
4 o'clock p.m. So our flight is 7:50 p.m. Syempre, very good kami. Kailangan maaga kami sa ano kasi baka magpups pa. Charot. Pwede pa yun. I-flip. Baka magpups pa. Tambay daw sa lounge. Kung ano man lounge yun.
tulog po siya. Tulog-tulugan.
Tok.
Thank you so much, Doc, for bringing us here in the airport.
Kuya taba.
Enjoy mga
Makatabas.
Hindi ko nga pala bluff. Enjoy guys! Have a safe flight!
Hello, Kuya Taba. David Schauder TV for more food and travel vlogs.
Charan, charan,
Charot, charot. Bye, Dakshi.
Bye! Okay.
Hey guys, eto na, pinapalipat ko. Wala palang pila dito sa kabila.
Dali. Dali.
Diba? Ang saya. Wala palang pila dito, nagpapakahirap kami. Bye!
Ilang steps na? Haba ng pila pala pag ganitong oras. After namin mag-bag drop and check-in here. So, pipila na sa doon.
Immigration.
Sa immigration.
Saktong-sakto, 20.1.
Sana na tayo? Level second stage. Second stage. Natin. God.
Chinika ako nung Amy.
Ano sabi?
Sabi sa akin, anong work ko?
Share natin experiences.
Sabi ko video mo ako. Tinanong ako ng Amy anong work ko. Sabi ko, content creator.
Ay, galing. Ikaw, anong tinanong sa'yo? Ba't ang tagal mo?
Yun nga yung tinanong nga sa akin kung anong work ko.
And then?
Sabi ko, VA, freelance. Tinanong kung anong company ko. Sabi ko, I have 2 clients.
The left and the right.
The left and the right. Hold them apart. Ganun.
Tinanong niya ako, ilang taon na ako nag-VA, tsaka ano yung work ko bago mag-VA. Tapos sabi ko, taong bahay. Tama. Palamunin.
Happy.
Siguro ano ko na siya, parang reflex ko na siya. Nagganto pa ako kay kuya. Thank you po.
Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Hello guys. So, nandito kami yan. Gate 106. Time check 5 p.m. Medyo maaga kaming nagsettle dito. Which is okay lang naman. Mas okay na yung magantay kesa yung naghahabol kami ng oras. Boarding time namin is 7 p.m. So, yeah. Chill muna. See you later, guys. Hi, guys. Ano muna tayo? Bang. So, we ordered ito ang go-to meal ko, Jamaican Patty, ever since. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ako dito, corner. Nasaan si Ann? Hintay at si Ann. Where are you, Al? Hi! Yan.
Ganyan na lang siya kahapon.
Oo. So, we arrived here at Bali and upon arrival, meron kaming dalawang QR code na iniscan. So, yung una, ang iniscan naming QR code is yung All Indonesia Immigration. So, kailangan isim mo yung QR code na yun na lalabas once you register. Kasi isi-scan yun dun sa dulo. And then the second QR code na iniscan namin. Ano yung second QR code? Yung e-application. ASEAN application. Kasi
While yung
since
visa is visa on arrival. So yung visa on
yung
arrival yung
yung
last
All
na
Indonesia is visa on arrival. Tapos yung isa, ASEAN. Kasi saglit lang naman kami dito. Tama ba? Yun yung purpose namin.
5 days lang naman tayo.
So yun. Again, dalawang QR code. Tapos medyo nawindang kami nung una, pero nakasurvive naman. Mabilis naman. Tapos yun,
May pangalan tayo.
sa scan mo lang yung passport mo. Dun sa parang automated scanner nila ng passport until you get through the
Wait lang.
immigration. So ayun, waiting na lang kami ng sundo namin. And then, sabak na agad sa first tour, which is Lempuyang Temple. Yeah. See you later, guys.
Lady pala. So fit check. Okay. Alright.
Ganun, maganda ba yun?
So ayun yung powder.
Ayan, nag-prep lang kami, change outfit, then head to Lempuyang.
Magkano yan?
One is yours.
I think.
No.
Can I?
Bumili mo na ng electrolytes para may energy. Hello! So, touchdown kami dito sa Lempuyang. Tama raw, Lempuyang. Pero, magbabayad muna kami dito sa mamaya papakita ko. Magbabayad muna kami mga magkano? 50,000 IDR. 50,000 IDR kasama na yung shuttle. Kasi para makaakyat dun sa temple, meron pang shuttle. So, it is a 2-hour ride from 14 Roses Hotel, yung Airbnb, yung hotel na pagsistayan namin. Tapos going here. At yun. So, kailangan talaga maaga-maaga. Imagine, pagdating namin dito, pang third na kami, hindi kami yung una and second, pang third na. So what more kung malilate pa kami ng dating dito, ay mag-aantay talaga ng bonggang-bongga. So mas okay nang mag-antay. Ayun. So see you later and good morning. After waiting for a very long time, kami po ay pang-5 sa kukuhan.
Kitang-kita nyo naman kung paano niya po hinahabol ang kanyang hininga.
Diyos ko, apil na apil naman. Wala mo ng pahingan down here. Paahon lahat.
Yes. Kasi po nasa bundok talaga siya. Ayun o. Pagod!
Diyos ko tayo.
Okay, later. Here you go.
Uy, at sige, ingon rin. Hello.
Hello. Ticket na. Thank you.
We're here at Lempuyan Temple. 6 o'clock sila kumuha ng tickets or payment. So we were here around 4 a.m. sa baba. And then we're getting there's a 50,000 IDR to pay for the shuttle, and so that's just for the shuttle. And then pag dito no 6 a.m. nag-open sila ng for the ticket, it's 70 IDR. So kasama na dun yung free borrowing ng malong, but bumili kami ng malong, so it's 150 IDR, but natawaran namin siya ng 110. So for souvenir na rin, like color brown. So ayun, later we will go to the famous temple. So we're just waiting for, I think, sunrise. See you later.
Yan lang yung ginagawa nila.
Ano bang temple to? Temple ng ano to?
Done with our shoot right there. And then dito na kami ngayon. Hello.
One, two, three.
Tae kasi siya ng tae, guys.
Other than this, it's a little bit sour, not too sweet. Midnight. Normally they eat like a banana and papaya, but Sunday they eat like a coffee beans. They only eat the best coffee beans, the red color.
Oh, and then when they poop the...
Yeah, and they eat and then the stomach and then the poop collect the poop and make a coffee. Yeah, coffee beans is the low caffeine and honey. The roots similar like a turmeric, the yellow color. We use to make a herbal tea. That's good for the immune system.
Oh,
By hot water and then worry then thinking about the poo because they've been having two skin layer. This is the first layer. And this one the second layer. We fill off by hand one by one.
oh my gosh, that's a lot of work.
We fill off until like this.
One by one.
And this one regular coffee, Arabica, Robusta mixed together, we call Bali coffee.
Bali ko.
Yeah, big one the Arabica, and then the small one, it is the Robusta. This one the Arabica and Robusta, smooth and soft. And this one we have some spices, ginger, turmeric, galangal, cinnamon, cloves, black pepper and white pepper. We use for cooking.
Yeah. Hello.
So Process making of coffee with traditional process. Maxi roasting coffee.
Mm.
Want to try roasting coffee?
Roasting for 1 hour.
Okay, the last process, we use some fruit and some water like an instant coffee.
Yeah, it smells
This is a
good.
little more strong.
So that's a combination of robusta.
Yeah, Arabica and Robusta mixed together. Okay, thank you for attention.
Hi guys, kagigising ko lang. Guys, talaga ako ng buhok lagi. We're here at Satria Coffee Plantation. Medyo kagigising ko lang. Ito pala kami punta.
Gusto mo talaga sabihin.
Ano na? Oo. Kasi nga, di ba, kanina pa ako nag-earn na earn. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung nakain. Anyways, mukhang masarap yung coffee nila. May tasting, tasting session. Excited na si Christian, kasi coffee lover siya. Ayun lang. See you later. Kasi settle naman for 1 minute. No sugar please. Luwa coffee.
Not cage.
Nati.
Ihalo mo.
Pagka natin siya. So, true enough, may mga residue. Kasi nga, they don't filter it. So, once they stir it, we just have to settle it down for like a minute so that the residue will go down. And then that's the time that we can drink it. And then, lalagyan namin ng sugar. Same thing. Stir it and then wait for 1 minute to settle it down.
Like this done.
This one the free testing. We give you one set testing, tea, coffee, and hot chocolate.
Wow.
We might thank you.
Masarap to. Na ano-ano matamis. Ito yung ginger tea.
Balik. Nutty.
Natin. Para siyang level ng sus coffee. Ito parang gumanda yung ginger.
Ano yung sabi na for the for influenza? Saffron. Saffron tea.
Itong rice tea na organic.
Mmm! Ang sarap nitong saffron tea, babe. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Saffron.
Ano?
Ang sarap. Masarap. Saffron. Mangosteen. Mangosteen is for ano daw? Ano yung sinabi na kanina? Mangosteen is for speak to me.
Sarap.
Para sa nga ulit yung mangosteen.
Para sa ano? Matabil mong bibig. Dito
Mmm!
Mangosteen. Ayan guys. Hindi ko maintindihan.
Hindi English.
Sa English.
Di, ang sarap din ng mangosteen. Lasang berry.
Alam mo, ang dami nagbibigay sa akin ng ganito.
Ang sarap.
Hindi ko iniinom.
Ito ano to?
Sa kanilang dito sa dito.
Ano to?
Raw salad. Organic.
That's the luwak.
Yeah, this one the luwak coffee. For the luwak coffee, you waiting 1 minute for your drink, yeah? For the powder settle down and not stir it. This one without sugar. If you want the sugar, we have a coconut sugar and white sugar. You put sugar, you stirring and waiting again 1 minute.
Okay.
Thank you. Enjoy the tasting and coffee, yeah?
Saan yung pang dito?
Luwak coffee. From dun sa animal na luwak, yung poop nila, pinroses, ginawang coffee bean, and it's one of the most expensive coffee bean there is.
Antayin daw naman.
Continue the tasting. Ito hot chocolate.
Sabi ni Chase Lee. Antayin daw bago ng 1 minute bago.
Oh my gosh, ang sarap ng hot chocolate.
Pag lagyan ng asukal.
Ang sarap ng hot
Wait for 1
chocolate.
minute. So this is the luwak. Ano to? Luwak.
Luwak coffee.
Basically, pinili namin Arabica. Kasi ayaw na. Medyo matapang na yung robusta.
Ito siya, yung animal.
Pinili namin Arabica. Malapit na sila maubos.
They say that the luwak coffee is the most exotic, rich, smooth, and excellent coffee from Bali. Siyempre, it comes with a price. Kasi naman, hindi naman biro yung process nila. They remove the beans one by hand. Laban na ng yung records. So we're here at Kretya Ubud. 50,000 IDR if kakain ka lang, walk in, but hindi ka magsiswimming sa pool. But if you want to swim in the pool, plus additional 150,000 IDR. So, papasok kami, kakain na kami dito. Gusto lang kami matry yung phone. Kasi since sa hotel namin meron ng pool. So,
Ayun na nga, hinihingi number ko.
Click mo sa ano.
After.
Oo. Bilis naman yung sa'yo. Kunin mo na yung buot eh.
hindi kasi baka hindi ko maubos. Feeling ko. Mapupulot na.
Sayang kasi pag di ako mapapulot.
You carried the whole Barbie.
Ganyan.
And time to check in now at the hotel. So we had our welcome flower and rice ata to. And then we had our welcome drinks. Tingin ako ng flower mo.
Ay, nalagay na. Sarap.
Very decent hotel. But siya kamahalan. I mean, they're full. Go, asan na yung ikon? Ninalaglag.
My name Nopi. I'm Chinese here.
Nopi.
Nopi, yeah.
Wow. Yes, set up for 3. Balcony. Ganda ng lang nila.
Saan yung pool? Second floor, di ba?
kung okay lang naman sa'yo. Charik. Lamig. We're here at the second floor. So they have two pools. One in the first floor, ground floor, and one in the second floor, which has a bar. And masarap naman pool. Lamig lang kasi ang daming puno. So yung hangin talagang presko, fresh yung hangin.